Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: enough local storage and an active Google Drive or iCloud account linked to your phone. Once ready, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and tap Chat Backup to reach the backup controls. Tap Backup now to kick off an immediate backup, and while it runs, check the network. Use Wi-Fi for large backups to avoid data charges. Make sure to set auto backup frequency so you don't repeat this manual step. Once you're inside Chat Backup, choose the account where backups are stored. Select the Google account or iCloud entry listed. This is critical so WhatsApp can write files. Then decide whether to include videos. Toggle it on if you need full media, but be aware of size and time. Next, set auto backup frequency to daily, weekly, or monthly. This balances convenience with storage usage. Also enable backup over Wi-Fi, only if you want to avoid mobile data charges. Finish by confirming the last backup timestamp and verifying your cloud account has enough free space, because insufficient space stops backups. To restore later, reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and follow the prompt to restore from the cloud backup. That brings chats and media back. If a backup fails, check permissions so WhatsApp can access your Google Drive or iCloud, confirm you're on a reliable network, and retry. If problems persist, sign out and back.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.